In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to view and manage your WhatsApp business settings inside the WAM panel. To access WhatsApp settings, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on Setting, then choose WhatsApp. Here, you'll see your WhatsApp business account details clearly listed. If any status shows issues, like expired code verification, it's a good idea to take action by contacting support or updating details. You'll have three main actions available at the bottom of the page: sync, edit, remove WhatsApp account. If you run into trouble, scroll down and check the common issues section. It offers instant help on frequently asked questions like verification problems or connection issues. And that's it. Managing your WhatsApp business settings in WAM is simple.